This is going to be a video on how to download, populate events, and take attendance within the Church Center app, which is what we're going to be doing all of our groups management moving forward with Genesis Church at. So on your device, if you pull up the App Store, you're going to search for Church Center. And so there it is. It looks like this right here on the top right. You'll go ahead and download that. And your profile as a group leader should already be within the system. And so it's going to send a two-factor authentication. And so I'm going to allow it to use my location. It's going to find Genesis Church. There is one for Carmel and one for Noblesville. You'll select the proper one. And once you log in, it's going to want to send to whatever phone number you have on file. And so go ahead and send my authentication. This code will be entered in and you'll log in. Now once you're within this app, you can set up notifications. This is a great for chat feature or just reminders of the events that you have going on. And you're going to have a couple of tabs down here. One down here in the bottom middle is what I want you to focus on, which is groups. When you go to this groups tab, you'll see your different groups and you'll load into this. And so I created an event to show you how easy it is to take attendance, but we're going to go ahead and set up another event where it says events at the top. If you select that and then select actions, you can view past events or you can select a new event, and this will give you the option to set up a different time, everything with a location. When it ends, you could have it repeat monthly, weekly, every other week. You can write a description of what it is, what you'll be doing, and anyone within your group will be able to see this on their calendar. Now, when I go over here to my resources, there may be times that we add resources here that you can use for your group, but this will show you the members that are in your group. If you select anyone, it will show you contact information for those individuals. You can email the group, and this will send a message to everybody through their email. You can also do up here at the top right with this little window that I just touched, it shows a chat feature that will send to anyone that has notifications. This is extremely helpful in situations where you may not want to start a side text thread, or you have members that kind of come periodically but don't come often. You could still message them with this and communicate with them. But once you have an event, you can't take attendance ahead of that event, but you can take it during or after. And so I have an event that just started, that we just created, and it's as easy as when you select that event down here, you select take attendance, as you can see down in the bottom right. Now I can select which members are part of that and hit submit, and I've successfully submitted attendance. And so it's just that easy. And so as you start meeting and creating events, it's extremely helpful for us to be able to have the data of who is attending and who isn't periodically, so we can see who is in a group and who is part of that. Now, we aren't currently giving you features to add or drop members, but in the future it's rather easy to do, and so we'll have another tutorial when we decide to move that direction. But for now, if you need to add or change anyone that's in your group roster, email Dan or I, and we'll make sure that it gets accomplished ahead of September 15th. Have a great week.